Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear students, as you can see, we are studying chapter number 4, the fight. Okay? I think we have done till paragraph 19 and we have to continue from paragraph 20. So without wasting our time, let's see paragraph 20. So, as we know that the Golden Gloves Championship is scheduled in the campus of Tompkins Square Park. Okay, let's see paragraph 20. The local junior high school across from Tompkins Square Park served as the dressing room for all the fighters. Okay, students, it meant to say there was a junior high school just another side of the Tompkins Square Park, and that junior high school is used as the dressing room for all the fighters. Okay, students, so I hope you have got the line. The loudspeakers blared into the open window of the school, and the organizer has set up some loudspeaker. Okay, and the loudspeaker were blowing into the open windows of the school. Okay, so that the voices can be heard from the distance. Okay, there were speeches by dignitaries, community leaders, and great boxers of yesteryears. Okay, so dear, as we know that whenever we have any function, any program, we have some motivational speeches. In the same way, before starting the Golden Gloves Championship tournament, there were some speeches, some motivational speeches of the dignitaries. What are the meaning of dignitaries? Dignitaries, we can say VIP person, we can say respected people who were invited as the guest. So some guest delivered some motivational speech, as well as community leaders also delivered some motivational speech, and great boxers of yesteryear. Yesteryear means of the old time. The people who were once a great boxer, they also delivered motivational speeches. This great day was in the tradition of champions emerging from the street of Lower East Side. This great day was in the tradition of emerging champions who were from the street of the Lower East Side. Okay? Now see paragraph 21. Felix was accompanied from the classroom by a dozen fans in white t-shirts with the word Felix across their fronts. Okay, students, in this paragraph, the narrator tells us that Felix entered the campus of the Tompkins Square Park. Okay, and when he was coming, he was accompanied. Accompanied means to give company. So with him there were also some of his fans who has put on white colored t-shirt, and their t-shirt was printed with the word Felix. Okay, the word Felix was printed on their white colored t-shirts. Antonio was escorted down a different stairwell and guided through a roped off path. Antonio also entered Tompkins Square Park, but taken he was taken from some other stair. Okay, he did not come from the way from where Felix has entered. He came from a different way, a different stairwell. Now see paragraph 22. As the two climbed into the ring, the crowd exploded with a roar. As the two, what is the meaning of as the two? The two. So student, the two word refer to Antonio and Felix. When Antonio and Felix climbed into the ring, okay, the audience got mad. They started hooting, they started crying with joy. Okay, they started making noise with excitement. Okay, Antonio and Felix bowed gracefully and raised their arms in acknowledgement. Antonio and Felix bent their head in the respect, okay, and they raised their hand, their arms in the acknowledgement. It means to say, in the praise, in the respect of the audience, they welcomed the audience by raising their hands. Okay, they greeted the audience by raising their hand. Now see further. Bong, bong, bong. Dear student, the word bong refer to the sound of the bell. Okay, so the bell rang, we hear the sound bong, bong, bong. The road turned to stillness. I mean to say, as soon as the bell rang, the crowd, who were roaring like a lion, all of them turned silent. They became silent. Okay, now see further. Ladies and gentlemen, the announcer spoke slowly. The anchor spoke slowly, addressing as ladies and gentlemen to the audience. He addressed the audience as the ladies and gentlemen. In this corner, weighing 134 pounds, Felix Vargas, and in this corner, weighing 133 pounds, Antonio Cruz. So, in these lines, the announcer introduced the audience with the both fighter Felix and Antonio. He introduced Felix Vargas with the audience and tells that his weight is 134 pounds. On the other hand, he tells the audience that this is Antonio Cruz weighing 133 pounds. It was the weight of Antonio Cruz. You can change it into kilo. Okay, kilo. Now see further. The winner will represent the boys club in the tournament of champions. And the announcer tells that the winner of the match will represent the boys club in the tournament of the champions, the Golden Gloves. Okay, there will be no draw. It means to say the match cannot be tie, the match cannot be draw. We will have the result of the match. May the best man win. And the announcer wish that the best man win the match. Okay, Now see paragraph 24. The cheering of the crowd shook the window panes of the old buildings surrounding Tompkins Square Park. The narrator tells us the window pane. What is the meaning of window pane? Window pane means glass window of houses. So the glass window of the houses which were situated here and there of the Tompkins Square Park, okay, the glass window were shook, okay, were shooking due to the loud noise, loud roaring of the audience. At the center of the ring, the referee was giving instruction to the youngster. And the narrator tells us that at the center of the ring, the referee of the match was giving some instruction to the youngster. It means to say Felix and Antonio. He tells the advice, he tells the rules and regulation of the game. Let's see further, paragraph 25. Keep your punches up. He asked them to raise their punches up. No low blows, no punching on the back of the head. He advises no one will punch, no one will hit on the back of the head. Keep your heads up. Okay, understand? He gives the instruction and at last he makes sure whether they got the instruction or not. Let's have a clean fight. After that, the referee suggests them that they should have a clean fight, no one will cheat. Okay? Now shake hands and come out fighting. And after that, the referee asks Felix and Antonio to shake hand and get ready for the fighting. Okay? Now see paragraph 26. Both youngsters touched gloves and nodded, and after that, both the fighter Antonio and Felix touched gloves of each other and nodded that they are ready for the fighting. They turned and danced quickly to their corner, and after that, Antonio and Felix turned to their corner, okay, and they were dancing a little bit, okay, for the greeting of the audience, they raised their hand, okay. So Antonio and Felix were also doing so. Now see paragraph 27. Bong bong, round 1. The bell rang, round 1 started. Felix and Antonio turned and faced each other in a fighting pose. Felix and Antonio turned to fight and they looked to each other in a fighting pose. Felix wasted no time and Felix did not waste any time. He attacked. He came in fast, head below, half hunched toward his right shoulder and lashed out with a straight left. It means to say Felix did not waste his time. He came running fastly and he attacked Antonio with his left hand. He hit Antonio with his left hand. Antonio slipped the punch and countered with 1, 2, 3 lefts that sent a mild shock coursing through Felix. After that, when Felix attacked Antonio, Antonio tried to escape from his punch. He escaped himself from his punch. It means to say he defended himself from the punch of Felix. And after that countered. What is the meaning of countered? Countered means hit back. And he also hit back with 1, 2, 3 lefts. Okay? He hit again and again to Felix. That sent a mild shock coursing through Felix. and that is why Felix felt a little bit shocked that Antonio can hit so hard. Okay? If Felix had any doubt about their friendship affecting their fight, it was being neatly dispelled. The narrator tells us that when Antonio attacks Felix, then Felix got surprised. Okay? It means to say, the narrator tells us if Antonio feels that their friendship will affect the match, so he was wrong. It was completely removed. Their match will not affect the fight. They will fight like a two stranger fighter. Okay, students. So I hope you have got these all points very well. So in the next video we will continue from paragraph 28.